students, today our topic is instruments of coercion and regulation of strike, layoff, closure, retrenchment and lockout. Generally, the workers and employers of an industry use to instrument of economic coercion on each other through strikes and lookouts for the fulfillment of their genuine demands. That is, the workmen want fair wages and better facilities, whereas the employers want less costs of protection, low wages, better performance by workmen, etc. The management is put under economic pressure to accept their demands. Therefore, the instruments of strikes are the weapons in the hands of working class to inflict financial loss on management so that their demands may be fulfilled, and the lockout, closure, retrenchment, etc. are the weapons in the hands of management to suppress the workers, decrease the cost of production, and to maximize the profit of industry. Therefore, the instruments of economic coercion on the part of management comprise such action or omission which may be inflict financial loss on the working class so that they may accept the terms and conditions of the management than to suffer irreparable financial loss. Further, in view of no work, no payment, or suspension of work or closing of a place of employment, or refusal by employer to continue to engage any number of workers employed in the industry, are the means adopted to put economic pressure on the working class. These activities may assume several forms, that is, pulling out of workers and separation of workers from their working place, which may be total or partial customers, dealers or raw material, or any combination of these. The objective of enactment of Industrial Dispute Act to maintain harmony and peace between the labor and management by providing settlement of disputes through mutual negotiation and to deal with the detachment process of employees, procedure and rules for lockouts and strike in the industry. When the disputes are not settled through negotiation, the labor and management resort to strikes, lockout, layoff, retrenchment and closure, etc. Thank you. Thank you so much.